Most problems in a plant don't start as major failures. They start small, a bit of spillage, a chute that needs clearing, more often than it should. Over time, these issues become part of daily operations. Maintenance increases, downtime becomes more frequent, and performance starts to drop. In many cases, these problems are treated individually. Clear the blockage, replace the worn section, get the system running again, but the root cause is rarely addressed. The issue is often not the equipment itself, it is how material is moving through the system when flow is not controlled. It leads to impact, wear, and instability throughout the process. This creates a cycle: more wear, more intervention. Well-engineered chute system changes that. It controls material flow, reduces wear, and improves consistency across the plant. The result is not just better performance, it is fewer disruptions, low maintenance, and more reliable operation over time.